Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to convert JPG to DXF format in Inkscape. Okay, so if you want to do it, first we need to import a JPG file. So I go to the left upper corner and I click on File. Then I go to Import option, or you can always use this shortcut Ctrl-I. So I click here, and now you need to select a file that you want to import. So I will select this one file, and now I click Open button. You will see this one window. We not change the settings, we click OK, and our JPG file has been successfully imported here. So now if you would like to convert it to DXF, we need to go again to File options, and then we go to Save As, or you can use shortcut Shift Ctrl S. I click this option, and then on Save As tab you need to select DXF. I recommend you to select this one format, Desktop Cutting Plotter, with R14 in the name. This is our DXF, so I click on this one option, and now we need to click Save button, and you may see this one window. I recommend you to set these settings as default, and then you can click OK button, and like you see, our file has been successfully exported as DXF. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.